right time to do a little video. Try to hang out at the end of this street here. I was hoping there'd be a sign to hide behind, but instead I just got all these trees. Do a little stealth camping here tonight. Weather is perfect. We'll see if I can put up with all the noise the cars are making. But I'd like to make some beer cheese soup tonight. That'll be a first. We'll see how that turns out. And I'd like to ask you to like and subscribe. Just a few more and I'll be at 1,000. And I should have no problem sleeping tonight. I have a solution for that, but we'll get to that later. And filming all this with the iPhone. Does 4K, so why not? Hopefully the video quality will be good. Let me know. That's this way. And it is noisy. Traffic has not let off at all. Alright, I had to get out of there pretty quick. Big pickup truck came, expensive, heavily modified, tinted windows, pulled up, just stared at me in there. Really creeped me out, so they left. 10 minutes later, another big, expensive, heavily tinted windows pickup truck pulls up. Stared. This one got closer, and then they took off. So I decided to get the heck out of Dodge before something happens. I think something nefarious was going on there. So I'm heading up to the next spot to start filming all over. And we'll see you in the next one. All right, what you're seeing now is a reenactment of what never happened. Now let's begin. You're going to forget everything you've seen, and you're going to leave here soon, or else something terrible will happen to you. Do you understand? Some guys just don't get it. Nice knife. Thank you, buddy.